Welcome. Today, we're diving into the essential warehouse operations that ensure customers receive their orders accurately and on time. A well-run warehouse is the backbone of any efficient supply chain. From receiving goods to shipping orders, each step plays a critical role. Let's explore warehousing activities in a real-world scenario. The first activity of warehousing is receiving. It involves accepting goods into the warehouse and verifying their quantity, quality, and condition. Key tasks involved in receiving process are: first one is unloading shipments from trucks or containers. Then inspecting items for damage or discrepancies. Then matching received goods against the purchase order or shipping manifest. Then logging the information into the warehouse management system. And finally, labeling items for tracking and storage. Let's talk about an example to better understand receiving process. In Amazon's fulfillment centers, when a new shipment of books arrives from a publisher, workers use barcode scanners to check each item. Any damaged books or quantity mismatches are immediately flagged in the system. This helps to maintain inventory accuracy and to minimize customer complaints. The next activity of warehousing is putaway. Putaway is the process of moving received goods from the receiving area to their storage location. Key steps in this process includes: first one is identifying optimal storage locations based on product type, size, and demand. Then scanning barcodes for inventory tracking. Then using forklifts or pallet jacks to transport items. And finally, updating warehouse management system with the new storage location. Let's talk about an example to better understand Putaway process. In a grocery distribution warehouse, perishable goods like dairy are routed to cold storage, while canned goods go to standard shelves. This smart putaway reduces spoilage and ensures fast access during order picking. The next activity of warehousing is storage. Storage involves holding goods until they're needed. Efficient storage maximizes warehouse space while keeping items accessible. There are 3 types of storage, like pallet storage for bulk products, bin storage for small, high turnover items, bulk storage for large or unpacked goods. Let's talk about an example to better understand storage process. At a Samsung distribution center, small items like phone accessories are stored in bins near the packing area for quick access, while large TVs are kept on high pallet racks to save floor space. The next activity of warehousing is picking. Picking is the process of picking or retrieving items from storage to fulfill customer orders. It's one of the most critical and labor-intensive steps. Common picking methods include: piece picking, means picking one item at a time. Batch picking, means picking multiple orders together to reduce walking time. Wave picking, means picking is completely based on shipping schedule or zones. Zone picking means dedicated pickers are assigned to specific warehouse zones. Let's talk about an example to better understand picking process. In a Nike warehouse, a picker receives an order for shoes, a water bottle, and a cap. Using a handheld device, the picker collects each item from different zones efficiently. This is an example of batch picking. During peak seasons, batch picking helps to reduce time by grouping similar orders. The next activity of warehousing is packing. Packing prepares items for shipment, ensuring they're secure and accurate. Key tasks in this process includes: first one is verifying picked items against the order, then choosing the right box or packaging, then using protective materials like bubble wrap, and finally, printing and attaching labels and documents like invoices. Let's talk about an example to better understand packing process. At a cosmetics warehouse, fragile items like glass perfume bottles are packed with extra cushioning. Automated packing stations adjust box sizes based on item dimensions to reduce shipping costs. A next activity of warehousing is shipping. Shipping is the final step. It means dispatching orders to customers or distribution hubs. Key activities involved in shipping process are: first one is sorting packages by carrier or by region. For an example, separate packages for DHL and UPS. Or for an instance, separate packages for Asia-Pacific customers and for North America customers. Loading shipments onto trucks or cargo vans, then confirming dispatch in the warehouse management system. And finally, generating required shipping documents like bills of lading. Let's talk about an example to better understand shipping process. In a FedEx fulfillment center, conveyor belts automatically route parcels to the correct dock based on the shipping address. Orders headed for overseas locations are directed to air freight zones, while local orders go to ground shipping docks. The next activity of warehousing is returns management, or it is also referred as a reverse logistics. Since not every shipment is successful, there are probabilities, inaccurate quantities, quality defects, inaccurate products being shipped. This calls for managing returns, where warehouse team handles goods returned by customers, often due to defects or incorrect orders. A good returns process reduces waste and boosts customer trust. Key steps in returns process include: first one is receiving and inspecting returns, then processing refunds or exchanges, then sorting items for restock, repair, or disposal, and finally, updating inventory records. Let's talk about an example to better understand returns process. In a laptop distribution warehouse, a returned item is inspected and found to have a motherboard issue. The defective unit is routed to the repair center, while a replacement is packed and shipped the same day, ensuring minimal disruption to the customer. So these are all 7 important steps of every warehouse management operations. It means every warehouse function, from receiving to returns, and ultimately impacts your supply chain's efficiency and customer satisfaction. Mastering these steps helps reduce errors, control costs, and improve overall performance. I hope you loved this topic. Stay tuned for more expert insights and practical supply chain strategies. Thank you.